Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to our Qaida series. Today we move on step forward in Quran learning with Qaida. Takhti number 2. Takhti number 2 or chapter number 2. What is Takhti number 2 and what we will learn in Takhti number 2? Takhti number 2 is based on Murakkabat. Takhti number 2 is based on Murakkabat. The word Murakkabat means combined letters or joined letters. Unlike Takhti number 1, the letters here are not written in order, they are mixed and combined to prepare the student for real Quran reciting. Difference between Takhti number 1 and Takhti number 2. In Takhti number 1, letters were written in sequence, each letter was learned separately. In Takhti number 2, letters are written mixed as like Lam, Alif. These both are mixed letters. We will recite it together without breaking the sound. Each letter was learned. Letters are read or recite together. The focus is on joining sounds correctly. This is a very important stage. The rule we learned in Takhti number 1 still applies here. Any letter that was stretched more than one alif in Takhti number 1 will be stretched the same way in Takhti number 2. Mean ba alif, ba stretched more than one alif. So here the rule will be also same in here. Lam, Jim. These both are lengthening letter and they both were separately lengthening letter in chapter number 1. Here will be also, but just the changes into combined letters. They both are combined. So also recite them together. Do not reduce the sound. Do not shorten it. Do not shorten it. Mean that lam, jim, lam. This is not the way of reciting with the beauty, with the clarity, with the proper tajweed. Lam, jim. This is lam and this is jim. Lam, jim. Do not break the sound and recite them in one breath. So let's start from the beginning of chapter number 2. This is alif, alif. In the last chapter, I have told you alif has no fixed outlet. It comes from the empty space of the mouth and throat. Alif, alif, lam, alif. Alif has no sound by itself. It only stretches the vowel before it. Mouth stays open, sound flows naturally. Lam, alif. Tip of the tongue touches the gum of the upper front teeth. Lam, alif. The outlet of alif, empty space of the mouth. Lam, alif. Then also, this is also lam, alif. These both are same. Just in the writing, it has written by another method. Lam, alif. Then ba, alif. Ba, alif. Both lips close gently, then open. Ba, alif. Then alif. Many times I have told you the outlet of alif, empty space of the mouth. Ba, alif. Lips close for ba, then open and stretch it into alif. Ba, alif. No pressure, no popping sound. Then lam, alif. This is also, these three combined letters are same. These three combined letters are same. This is also lam, alif. Touches the upper front gums into lam, and alif is pronounced from the empty space of the mouth. Lam, alif. Sound is clear and light. Tongue touches briefly, then release. Then lam. This is lam. Stretch it. Then lam, alif. This is also alam, lam, alif. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 combined letters are same. Just it is showing you how we can written it, how we can write it, or how we can pronounce it. The pronunciation method for all is same because of these all are lam alif lam alif lam alif lam alif lam alif. But it is showing you how we can write it. This is lam, this is alif. Here this is lam, this is alif. Here also lam, alif. This is a half lam, this is half lam, this is half lam, this is half lam, this is half lam, half lam, alif. Then the next letters are lam, jim, lam, jim. Tip of the tongue with upper gums. This is the outlet of lam. Then jim. Jim is a lengthening letter. Middle of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth. Jim, the middle of the tongue, not the tip of the tongue. Okay, keep it in your mind. The middle of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth. Jim, lam, jim. Then this is also lam, alif, smoothly. Lam, alif. Then, now these are 3 letters we will recite together. Ba, lam, ba. Ba, lam, ba. This is half ba, this is half lam, this is half ba. Okay, both lips close and open. The 3 letters recite or pronounce in one flow. 3 letters recite in one flow. Outlet of ba, both lips close and open. Lam, tip of the tongue touches upper gums. Ba, lam. Then ba, lips close again and release. Ba, la, ba, lam, ba. Do not break your breath. Do not stop during these letters. Recite it or pronounce it together. Ba, lam, ba. Each letter keeps its own outlet, but reading is continuous, not broken, not broken. This is the character of this chapter. So, my dear viewers, we will recite slowly in order with clear pronunciation, no rushing, no guessing. Correct reading today means correct Quran tomorrow. A student who masters Murakkabat find Quran reciting easy. These small lessons protect you from big mistakes later. If you want to learn Qaida step by step from letters to Quran with proper tajweed and guidance, subscribe to this channel. We also offer online Quran classes. Contact us on the number given below. May Allah bless in your learning. Ameen.